ready to learn how to make a truly authentic Italian carbonara. You may have seen many videos with millions of views on how to make this classic Italian dish, but most of them miss the mark and don't reflect the true Roman tradition. So let's dive in and discover the secret of a perfect carbonara. Let's start with the step 1, the ingredients. Choose the ingredients is very important because are few. You can see not many, few ingredients and good quality. And choose the right one. We choose a good pasta. This is spaghettoni, is an Italian brand, but there are a lot of shapes, a lot of brands, but we love with spaghettoni that is basically a bit bigger than the spaghetti, but if you want to get the next level, get mezzemanic. It's a tube-shaped pasta, amazing if you want to trap the sauce, whoa! So, after the eggs, actually we are going to use only the yolks. Yes, only the yolks. Don't forget the meat, and the only meat that you need is guanciale. Guanciale is pork cheeks. Don't use other things, you don't need mayo, no. And don't forget pecorino romano cheese. Don't use parmesan, it's not correct. You only need this. I know it's a bit difficult to find, maybe, but this is what you want. Don't forget the last part, the black pepper. What we don't have to use, don't use, please. Don't use onion, don't use garlic, don't use bacon, ham or what other kind of meat. Don't use heavy cream, don't use olive oil, don't use parsley, don't use mushroom, don't use other kind of food. The only ingredients that you need are here, absolutely here. And don't use fresh egg pasta, because we are going to prepare an egg-based sauce, so fresh egg pasta is not recommended. Okay, we start to warm up the water without salt yet. Ready to green. Just let warm up 1 minute, no more, and everything is ready. Let's now cut the guanciale. You can cut your guanciale in different ways, but actually I prefer, and also the best way you can find everywhere in Rome or in Italy, is stripes, big stripes. A bit bigger stripes, because I want to feel it when I eat. We prepare our guanciale. Now let's prepare the eggs. What we need is only the yolks. How many? Actually is 1 yolks per person, plus 1. For example, I'm preparing today a carbonara for 2 persons. For this reason, I will going to use 3 yolks. Okay, let's shake our yolks. Wow, perfect. Now it's time to add our pecorino. Okay, I love pecorino. Another one is okay. Okay, do you remember your water, your boiling water? It's time to put just a little bit here, inside. I didn't put the salt in the water yet. For this reason, I will going to use it. I will get a bit of water and I will going to put slowly, gently here on my sauce. In this way, your cream will be perfect. You know, don't need to add anything else. Don't need butter, don't need heavy cream, don't need anything. Just egg, just cheese, and a bit of cooking water. Just that. Okay, let's start to warm up a bit the pan. Not too much strong fire. And now you just put inside our guanciale. It's very important, do not add any kind of oil. You can see that guanciale is very fatty. For this reason, you don't need oil, you don't need butter, you don't need anything else. For this, guanciale is the best one. Just remove a bit of oil. You can look here. Perfect, crispy guanciale. This is what you need. Let's turn off the fire. A bit of oil still here is okay. And now let's going to use this oil. And now the perfect match. The guanciale oil with our cream. Slowly, slowly, not all together, gently put here. Okay, now our sauce is amazing. You can see we didn't use too many ingredients. Just the fat, just the oil coming out from our guanciale is the only necessary oil that you need. This is how we make carbonara. Now that we used the water, we can put finally our raw salt. Just wait 1 second that the water back to boil and let's put our pasta. The water is boiling. We have our pasta. Don't forget to see how beautiful is this pasta. You can see this pasta is bronze drawn. This is basically a technique that make basically a bit raw the skin, and this is perfect. It's time. Okay, the pasta is ready. Let's start. We have to drain the pasta, but let's start 1 second and let's put the pasta. Okay, close the fire. And just like shake a bit. The most important things now is turn off your fire. Yes, not minimum, no fire, no fire. It's very important. If you don't want to make an omelette for lunch or dinner, please please turn off the fire. Let's do it. It's very important that it's off of the fire. You don't need it. The pepper. Let's do it. Perfectly creamy, but it's not over. Another bit of pecorino on top. A bit of pepper. And our carbonara is ready. Buon appetito! It's perfectly creamy, crispy guanciale. Please try this at home. Buon appetito!
Let's do a quick recap. The ingredients for 2 people are 240 grams of pasta, 3 large eggs, 200 grams of guanciale, 40 grams of pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper to taste. Cut the guanciale in slices and make it crispy on the pan. Take off the oil and let's start to prepare the sauce. Shake 3 eggs, add your pecorino, add a bit of boiling water, no salt, and at the end the oil from guanciale. Pasta, let's go! Okay, it's time to drain the pasta and mix with guanciale. At the end the sauce with the fire off, and it's time to prepare the dish. Pecorino and pepper to complete.
And our carbonara is ready.